Okay, I just finished installing a deadbolt on this door. I realized that I should have made a video on how to install the deadbolt while I was doing it. I didn't think that far ahead. So I'll show you how to do it with a second setup that I have. I bought two to make sure I got the color right, and I ended up using the front of one of them and the back of the other to match a little better. It turned out pretty good. The mechanism is pretty simple. You have your body of the deadbolt. All that the key does is spin the plug, which just spins this. But spinning that spins this. I'll put this in here. And then you put the back. Okay, so there's the deadbolt set up. Now if I was to spin this, it would open. See, that's because this is spinning, which is turning this. See, when I move this, it spins the black bar. Oops. Right. It's tough to do it without it being set up in the door. And you would put the screws in there in the holes. So I bought two of them, so I might as well pick them today. They are Stanley. You may have heard of them. They make a lot of American tools, but now all of a sudden made in Taiwan. Yeah, okay. So I kind of lost a little bit of my respect for them, but they're still a good brand, and it's very difficult to pick. So I'll pick both the deadbolts, the one in the door and this one. I'm going to use an offset diamond pick. Offset. You can only find these at lockpicktools.com. And it really plows through master locks and my security locks. And it's the only one I use for deadbolts nowadays. It just works so well on them. Also, I'm going to use the special tension tool. Twist it at the tip. For deadbolts, single pin picking, which is what I would be doing with this, works better for me than raking on deadbolts for sure. Now, deadbolts, in my opinion, are a lot harder than just the regular doorknobs. And you really gotta feel for it. You get the hang of it with practice, but when you go in, you need to feel this the tension on the pins when it sets onto the shear line. I don't know if you can see into there, I guess not, but you will be able to feel that the pin is no longer springy, it's just loose, and that means that pin is set. Then you move back to the next one. and you go one at a time. Okay, then you're going to release a little bit of pressure because you might have overpicked a couple of them, sending them past the shoe line. So you release a little to let them fall. And you'll hear the click, it's very loud. And that means one of the pins fell. You don't want them all to fall, or you have to start all the way over. Releasing a little. There we go. See, now you can see that all this does is move this around, which just moves this around, which just pushes this in and out. This deadbolt, this particular one, happens to be easier to open the wrong way. So once I do open it the wrong way, then I would use my plug spinner to change it to the right way. There we go. As you can see, this does not open the lock, but if it was turned the right way, it would. So I'm going to use my plug spinner. And there we go. Now it's open.